Right, welcome back to Tech with Makati. So I'm sure a lot of you guys clicked on this video because you are faced with a lot of challenges when you try buying the MTN Zone bundle with the USSD code like the *135 *2 *1 hash. Yes, so in this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a new method to buy the MTN Zone bundle. So let's start by we have two ways already. Yes, you can just download the app or you are going to use the website. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you the website process first. So just log on to the website as mtndatazone.mobi. mtndatazone.mobi. Yes, just log on to this website. Alright, so after logging on to this website, you are going to be asked to type your phone number, the phone number that you want to register this particular bundle with. So in my case, I'm going to type my phone number here. So one tip over here, you see that they have already typed the star, the +233 already here for you. So there is no need for you to type the 0 at the beginning of your phone number. Just type the remaining 9 digits. So in this case, I'm going to go straight forward. All right, so I have my phone number type here. Then send OTP. You can see that I have my OTP sent to me 4831. That's my OTP. So I'll type 4831 over here. Then log in. Yeah, so I'm presented with this page, and you can see that I haven't bought any data today, so I can't go to the balance to check my current balance. Just go to bundles straightforward because you are buying a new data. So go to bundles and you have the options here. So in this case, I'm going to purchase the 2 cities. That's the lowest amount of data that I want currently. So I just click on buy and click on purchase. So after purchasing the bundle, you can see that I've been sent a message that your bundle purchase was successful. And you can also check here. Yes, you can also go to your SMS to check that you have received a message. Yes, so this is how you can purchase the MTN Zone bundle in the new way. All right, so if you found my video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, or you can join my Telegram group. I'll put the link in the description, and also put the link to the MTN Data Zone bundle website in the description so that you guys can check it out and use this particular method to buy your data. Thanks for watching.